Hey, it's me, Jamie. I've got a unboxing here to do. I've done took it out of the box, but it comes from Paint and Fairy cross stitch. Went ahead and took it out of the box so wouldn't have all that rattling. Every package, not kit, just package, comes with a little toolkit with some bobbins if you like to park. Those are real handy. Some thimbles, a pack of needles. These are size 26. Okay, and it also comes with a pair of scissors. Very pretty. That comes with every order. You get one little toolkit. So that's nice, and it's a pretty little bag. Yeah, this was sent as a I asked if I would be interested in doing a video, so they let me choose a picture. And it also comes with a thread, of Paint and Fairy thread brand name. This one is 152, but they come with different colors with each one. You won't get this one probably, but you'll get a free thread with every order. See, I'll lay it right there. This is the kits I chose. This is the first one. It's called Van Gogh Oil Painting Windmill. You take it out. Comes in a bag with a little freshener and a little silica gel pack to keep it from getting damp or any moisture. This right away. Okay. Look how pretty. It just looks so pretty. But it's Van Gogh Oil Painting Windmill. Let me see how many colors it has. Real quick. It has, I think, 39 colors. Yeah, it has 39 colors. I don't see no blends or half stitches or anything like that, or outlining. Won't see no special stitches. And that's a clear chart if you want to use the chart. Well, this is really good and clear. That's really good and clear. It has the code on the fabric, a list of the symbols and the color of the thread. This would be good if you know you want to stitch one color for a while. It don't look like any confetti. Real good clear printed fabric. The print on it's centered. It's really, really pretty. I can just sit here and look at this piece of fabric all day. The symbols and the colors on it is really pretty. I can't wait to get started on this. I think I will start that this weekend. Hey, let me pause this for a minute and take these threads out of this. Okay, I forgot to mention while I was taking those out, I remembered I didn't tell you the size. It's 170 width by 240 and a half, and it's 14 count. It's got a pretty little pink bow. These threads are beautiful. Can you see them good and clear there? Very pretty. Very pretty colors. Very pretty, cheerful colors. That is that one. I really like it. Kit. This next one is called the Sunflower Farm from the Van Gogh collection. I forgot to mention it also comes with the little papers that talks about the factory and the threads and the stitches. And it also comes with cleaning instructions. That also comes in every package. Look how pretty those threads are. Okay, I took them threads out of the bag right quick. Just to recap, it says the Sunflower Farm from the Van Gogh collection. Look how pretty. Pretty bright sunflowers. This has 64 colors. I don't see any blends, no back stitching, no special stitching, just crosses. good clear print on the pattern. This is a 14 count, and it's 200 width by 210. Sorry, 210 width by 210 width. Half. Half. It's a 14 count. My mouth ain't wanting to work right, evidently. Or my brain. Okay. That's a really pretty print. It looks like it's kindly confettied. It's got some spots where it looks like a lot of one color. But it's not too bad confetti. From what I'm seeing, the colors pretty much well lead together, just, zigging around together. So, not like a lot of spacing where you do one stitch and jump them way over. They look close together, if I'm making any sense. And here's the threads. Beautiful, beautiful colors. You have yellows and greens and blues, oranges. Very pretty. Very pretty colors. Okay, Painting Fairy, thank you for sending me these. I love them. I plan on starting both of them because I love them. They're very pretty. Okay, bye for now.